So, you're being strangely cryptic as you wrap your magic hair around my injured hand?
Sorry. Don't freak out. Flower, clean and glow. Let the power shine. Make the clock reverse. Bring back what once was mine. Heal what has been hurt. Change the fate's design. Save what has been lost. Bring back what once was mine. What once was mine. Please don't freak out.
I'm not freaking out. Are you freaking out? No, I'm just very interested in your hair and the magical qualities that it possesses. How long has it been doing that exactly?
Forever, I guess. Mother says when I was a baby, people tried to cut it. They wanted to take it for themselves. But once it's cut, it turns brown and loses its power. A gift like that, it has to be protected. That's why Mother never let me... That's why I never left and...
You never left that tower. And you're still gonna go back?
No. Yes. Ugh, it's complicated.